Hello there, Merry Christmas, good morning. Hey guys, my name is Trinity and I make lifestyle and fashion related content, and if you are new, hello, and if you're not, welcome back. Hey, I'm tearing up. Welcome back to my channel. It's Trinity, where I do whatever I want.
Rick Manson's World Motion Tour is over, and what a success it was.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm tired of looking like this. I'm gonna come back and explain to you guys later when I'm not as crusty looking. Share successful. Okay. It's time to go get ready. Mind you guys, I am running hecka late. It's 1:36 and they'll be here at 3.
As I explore around, wandering through this place.
If I get my girl pregnant, I'm gonna be a better
It makes
you.
nonsense till it makes sense.
So it is currently 2:28 and I'm running crazy late because they'll be here at 3 and I haven't even started on my makeup or anything, and I haven't eaten at all today. But this is the fit. I'm gonna wear this jean jacket that I got. I mean, not this jean jacket, this leather jacket with like fringes, but you guys aren't gonna see that because I'm putting this shirt on top, so when I go thrifting I can try stuff on. But let me just explain to you guys what's happening today. So today I'm going thrifting and I decided to take y'all with me, and I'm also going to be taking pictures. I just took pictures like earlier this week at the parking garage, but such a great place to take pictures. So I'm back and I'm better now. It's 2:58. Did you see my eyebrows and my mascara is done. This is my teacher for today.
How to sing a song in 3 or 4 different ways. Like she can style it off just as a jazz musician.
These are big. take pictures. Show the fit, show the fit. Oh, wait. Okay. Period. Just finished taking pictures. Billy the model. Say hi, Billy the model.
We are here. Why did you think we're not coming out the same way? We're walking.
To make an outro, but I am making it now. If you enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for getting to the end of the video. Shh. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my social medias. I'm very active on there when I'm not active on here. And Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in my next video.